tao?
Hello, Besh. Yes. Good. Welcome.
Hello.
Welcome to my panel. So you are you're the substitute of Mike because Mike is busy.
Mara na siya unya.
But Mike is there watching.
Okay.
No, Mike is in the line. There. Or video call.
Nandyan siya dira sa imong kilid.
Yes, Mike is here in Messenger.
Sana all. Wait lang. Baka ng live today. Uy, wala man ang sa kanila.
Yeah. Angela, hello. Wait, Besh, you're going to
Ayan.
sing tonight?
Hello, everyone. Ads pa wafa. Ads pa si Michael King.
Yeah, Mike have a lot of schedule today.
Dagan siyang busy.
Busy Presidente Mike's life tonight today.
Hey, Viking. Brother
Angel has come
Viking.
from the heaven. Hello, brother Viking.
Gusto ko ganito.
Shane,
Gusto ko ganito pag
don't share go pa. Thank you.